We see culture history by E.B. Tala. So stage of evolution, technology, religion and marriage. तो civilization to barbarism to savagery. टेक्नोलॉजी किस तरीके से बढ़ी? सबसे पहले आया हंटिंग. पहले सेवरेज था तो हंटिंग, गैदरिंग, प्रिमिटिव स्टोन टूल्स यूज होते हैं. बार्बरिज्म में एग्रीकल्चर, यूज ऑफ मेटल्स. एंड सिविलाइजेशन में राइटिंग आई. रिलीजन एमिनिज्म, पॉलिथिज्म, मोनोथिज्म में चेंज हुआ. एंड प्रॉम्सिक्यूटी टू प्रिमिटिव. मैरिज प्रॉम्सिक्यूटी थी, प्रिमिटिव, एंड पॉलीगैमी एंड देन मोनोगैमी. Promiscuous, involving the many sexual partner, the promiscuous. So Tyler was trying to trace the stages of evolution. So he believed that British society must have evolved in this particular way. These terminology expected and used by others later. Same evolutionary sequence used by others, meaning some of the population is still at the savagery state, some has moved to the barbarism, some like British has moved to civilization. British civilization is a touch bearer to population at different stages. इस टॉर्च बेयरर टू पॉपुलेशन डिफरेंट स्टेजेस. तो टॉर्च बेयरर क्या होता है? तो टॉर्च बेयरर इज अ पर्सन हु लीड इंस्पायर्ड अदर इन वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स अ वैल्यूड गोल. टॉर्च बेयरर. तो सिविलाइजेशन सीन एज अ पॉजिटिव नोट, while barbarism, savageism having negative, derogatory or ethnocentric way of writing. So not all the human societies culture are at the same level, or the cultural evolution does not mean that they are superior or inferior to one another. These challenges the kind of general human behavior. The savages, the most primitive people, making their living by hunting, gathering or foraging. These are the people who are at primitive level in all the social institutions. For example, religion, marriage and family. These are the primitive level in all the social institutions. So barbarism term is seen in the stage of practicing agriculture. Pre-industrial society are generally refers to agriculture society. Civilization is seen as the stage which refers to stage of technological evolution having writing script. It also refers to urban static living. Non-agricultural activities emerging and becoming stronger. Civilization is also state of culture. So religion in anthropology. Our focus area is not God exists or not, atheist or theist. Our focus area is how religion must have originated, how different forms of religion originated. We study religion because it is one of the significant portion of our culture. So for Tyler, earliest form of religion was animism. Word come from anima, soul belief. So animism is the belief of the existence of the soul. Soul is something that is thin, permanent flame shadow, human image that is extremely powerful. Tyler is using a method of rethinking. That is primitive when it confused within dream and sleep and death. So death is a permanent sleep, temporary. So it indicates mortal individual. Jesus is a mortal, came from the dead. In dreams, meeting distant people, alive, dead, unknown, visiting far off places. So it means when you are sleeping, your soul is going out to meet people. When you have to get up, soul will come back to you. According to Tyler, there are two types of soul, free soul or body soul. So when you are sleeping, one that is going out, body soul, once it go out, it never come back, person becomes dead. Free soul, that it goes out when you are sleeping. When you sleep, one is going out, and body soul, once it's good, it never come back and person becomes dead. So there are the two types of soul, free soul and body soul. So this is all imagination of primitive man according to Tyler. From all of them, inquiries had become belief in the soul. First stage of religion, that is belief in the soul, that is animism. So Tyler also believed in the religion as a belief in supernatural. So Marat is a thinker who wrote on animatism. According to animatism, is the first stage of religion. So he is the Robert Ranulph Marat. So he is Marat. He is British ethnologist and is a proponent of the British Evolutionary School of Cultural Anthropology. So Marat is a thinker who wrote on animatism. According to animatism, the first stage of the religion. That animatism emerged from Polynesian belief called Manaism. Animism that is emerged from the Polynesian belief called Manaism. So Malaism is a word derived from Melanesian word mana. So Manaism, Melanesian word mana, refers to impersonal supernatural form associated with the object or person. So this animatism emerged from the word belief, Polynesian belief, Manaism, mana. तो वहाँ से आया animatism. So all the living and non-living entities have a soul and are the human, animals and plants, stone and monuments. Souls have inner power. This is called mana in Polynesia. Souls have inner power. It's called mana in Polynesia. And souls can be arranged in hierarchy of mana. दैट इज लो मना, लोकल दे दिया लो मना, जैसे बाइसाइकिल, एंड हाई मना, दुर्गा इज हाई मना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पेस क्राफ्ट, द सोल्स आर अरेंज्ड इन द हायरार्की ऑफ मना. People started to believe in soul, started to worship soul. When they started worshipping many souls, they become polytheism. So polytheism means believing in the many gods. Also termed as paganism. So paganism means religion other than main world religion, especially non-Christian or pre-Christian religion को बोलते हैं paganism. So polytheism is believe in many gods, also terms as paganism. So मोनोगैमी होती है एक तो लाइफ टाइम, एक होता है सीरियल मोनोगैमी. मीन सीरियल मोनोगैमी मीन्स एट अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर इज ओनली वन पार्टनर. देन पॉलीगैमी में पॉलीगाइनी, पॉलीएंड्री एंड पॉलीगाइनी एंड्री. पॉलीगाइनी, पॉलीएंड्री, पॉलीगाइनी एंड्री. पॉलीगाइनी में सोरोरल एंड नॉन सोरोरल, पॉलीएंड्री में फेटर्नल, फैमिलियल एंड नॉन फेटर्नल. सोरोरल पॉलीगाइनी, तो मैन वाइफ्स आर सिस्टर्स, तो मैन की वाइफ क्या सिस्टर थे. सोरोरल, नॉन सोरोरल, मैन वाइफ्स आर नॉट सिस्टर, are not connected to one another. There is no kinship relationship between one wives with the other. तो दिस इज नॉन सोरोरल पॉलीगैमी. तो मैन भी दो टाइप की होंगी, सोरोरल एंड नॉन सोरोरल. मतलब सारी सिस्टर से शादी कर ली या सिस्टर वाइफ्स का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. तो पैटर्नल पॉलीएंड्री की एक वुमेन ने सारे भाई से शादी कर ली, जैसे द्रौपदी. पैटर्नल पॉलीएंड्री. नॉन पैटर्नल हो गया पैटर्नल पॉलीएंड्री. एक नॉन पैटर्नल पॉलीएंड्री अलग अलग लड़कों से शादी कर ली. पैटर्नल पॉलीएंड्री सारे भाइयों से शादी कर ली. फैमिलियल पॉलीएंड्री, ये इन फादर एंड सन ने एक ही इंडिविजुअल से मैरी करी थी. फैमिलियल पॉलीएंड्री, तो फादर एंड मदर मैरिड टू सेम इंडिविजुअल्स. दिस इज फैमिलियल पॉलीएंड्री. फैमिलियल पूरी फैमिली में दोनों ने सेम से शादी की, तो फैमिलियल पॉलीएंड्री. Polygyny entry in humans. Polygyny entry refers to male or female being married or involved in a relationship with more than one male or with more than one female. This is polygyny entry. So polygyny entry is a system जहाँ पे both females and females having multiple mating partners during the breeding system. दोनों के पास male females के पास multiple mating partners होते हैं during breeding system. So polygyny entry जहाँ पे both male and female have multiple mating partners. So promiscuity, there is no set patterns. Promiscuous relations, very rational, very wild, very pre-human. So group marriage is seen as the last stage of promiscuity. Group marriages as the last stage of promiscuity. So these were the group marriage. One group married to another group. When E.B. Tylor made cultural history chart, he saw that these stages were simultaneously emerging. In Hindu society, polytheism with monogamy. In Western society, monotheism with monogamy. In Muslim society, monotheism with polygamy. So not for all the society this situation is valid. Hence Franz Boas was critical. So Franz Boas was critical of this. So by the way, primitive man described by the Tylor, critic says that he tried to create a rational man out of primitive man. Tylor did not have any field work. Most of the time he was rethinking method. He gave a concept of survivals. He was not incorporating multi-evolutionism, sticking to unilinear fashion. Multi-evolutionism नहीं, सिर्फ unilinear. जैसे savagery, barbarism, civilization, और कोई तरीका नहीं सोच रहा है. Multi-evolutionism को सोचा नहीं इसने. He did not seem to have neglected diffusionism को neglect नहीं किया. He seemed to have neglected diffusionism को neglect ही कर दिया. एक और चीज़ें diffuse भी हो रही हैं. He says that culture function independent entity. Independent entity है और दूसरे का influence neglect कर दिया. फिर Bosaian critic about field work, generalization, neglect of relation with the neighboring communities. Culture can be learned from the other culture as well. वो बोसाइन critic थे, जो फ्रांस बोआस थे, वो फील्ड वर्क पे काम करते थे. उन्होंने फील्ड वर्क तो किया नहीं है, जनरलाइज कर दिया सब कुछ. और जो नेबरिंग कम्युनिटीज़ उनका जो रिलेशन है उसको बिल्कुल ही निगलेक्ट कर दिया है. कि डिफ्यूजम भी होता है कि कुछ कुछ आप कल्चर दूसरों से भी लर्न करते हो. फिर मार्विन हैरिस, the basic point of primitive culture seemed to that the human mind has the ability to perfect itself by thinking more clearly. So Marvin Harris, he was an American anthropologist. तो मार्विन हैरिस ने क्या बोला था? The basic point of primitive culture seemed to be that human mind has the able to perfect itself by thinking more clearly. अगर human mind और ज़्यादा अच्छे से think करे, he has the ability to perfect himself. In cultural history, Tylor seems to be using parallels in marriage, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड रिलीजन. तो पैरेलल्स यूज़ करे थे मैरिज, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड रिलीजन.